Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the console and controller are ready. This saves time. Once the game is loaded, press the Options or Touchpad button to open the in-game menu, then select Sim Dashboard. You should see core widgets, speed, telemetry, and lap timing. If the dashboard doesn't appear, try closing Overlays and reopen. Make sure you're on the correct profile so settings persist. Now you're at the dashboard and ready for configuration. Proceed to customize the panels. Now you customize what matters. You choose panels like telemetry and map, then resize and reposition each panel so critical info doesn't block your view. This improves reaction time. Next, assign quick toggle buttons or hotkeys to switch views on the fly and map those controls to your controller for tactile access. Once done, test the panel visibility during a practice lap. Make fine adjustments to transparency and placement so you can read numbers at a glance without losing focus. You finish by saving the dashboard profile so your layout is preserved. Then run a short timed lap to validate that telemetry updates and control toggles respond instantly. This confirms real-time usefulness. If values lag or panels disappear, restart the game and reload your profile, because overlays sometimes fail on first load. If that fails, reassign the control bindings or reset the dashboard to defaults and rebuild only essential panels. This quick troubleshooting gets you back on track without losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.